The human spirit yearns for meaning. We long to understand our place in the vast tapestry of existence. This inherent desire has driven us to explore the realms of religion and spirituality since time immemorial. While often used interchangeably, these two concepts offer distinct approaches to answering life's biggest questions. Religion provides a structured framework of beliefs and practices, while spirituality emphasizes a personal journey of self-discovery and connection to something greater. In a world increasingly dominated by scientific advancements and technological marvels, the yearning for spiritual fulfillment remains a constant. This essay delves into the nuances of spirituality and religion, highlighting their differences and exploring the transformative power of embracing a spiritual path. The human heart seeks solace in something beyond the material realm. It yearns for a connection to a higher purpose, a sense of belonging to something grander than ourselves. This innate longing is the driving force behind our exploration of spirituality and religion. Spirituality is an intimate journey of self-discovery. It is a continuous process of exploring our inner depths, seeking meaning and purpose in the experiences that shape us. Unlike religion, which often relies on external structures and doctrines, spirituality emphasizes personal experience and intuition. It encourages us to connect with our inner wisdom, trusting the guidance of our hearts and the whispers of our souls. Spirituality is not about blindly following dogma, but about asking questions, challenging assumptions, and seeking truth through direct experience. It is about cultivating a deep sense of connection to ourselves, to others, to nature, and to the universe. This connection transcends the boundaries of belief systems, embracing the oneness that unites all of creation. At its core, spirituality is a quest for authenticity. It encourages us to peel away the layers of conditioning and societal expectations to discover our true selves. It is about embracing our individuality while recognizing our interconnectedness with all living beings. Religion, in contrast to the deeply personal nature of spirituality, provides a structured framework for understanding the divine. It offers a system of beliefs, rituals, and practices often codified in sacred texts and interpreted by religious leaders. For many, religion provides a sense of community, belonging, and moral guidance. It offers comfort in times of uncertainty and a framework for navigating life's complexities. Religious institutions play a significant role in shaping societal values and providing a moral compass. They offer a sense of continuity, passing down traditions and beliefs across generations. Religion can foster a sense of community, providing a space for individuals to connect with like-minded individuals and find solace in shared faith. The organized nature of religion can provide a sense of structure and stability, particularly in times of personal or societal upheaval. It offers a framework for understanding the world and our place within it. While religion can be a source of comfort and guidance, dogmatic adherence to religious doctrines can stifle personal growth and create division. Blind faith, unquestioning acceptance of beliefs without critical examination, can lead to intolerance, prejudice, and even violence. When religious doctrines are interpreted rigidly and literally, they can be used to justify oppression, discrimination, and conflict. History is replete with examples of the dangers of religious extremism. From the Crusades to the Salem witch trials, blind faith has often been used to justify unspeakable acts of cruelty and violence. In the modern world, we continue to witness the devastating consequences of religious intolerance and extremism. It is essential to remember that religion at its core is meant to promote love, compassion, and understanding. When religious beliefs are used to justify hatred, violence, or discrimination, they have strayed far from their intended purpose. Section 5. Embracing open-mindedness, questioning and seeking. The beauty of a spiritual journey lies in its emphasis on open-mindedness and continuous questioning. It encourages us to approach life with a sense of curiosity, wonder, and a willingness to challenge our own assumptions. Spirituality invites us to engage in a lifelong exploration of truth, recognizing that our understanding of the divine is ever-evolving. A true spiritual seeker is not afraid to ask difficult questions, challenge established norms, or explore different perspectives. They understand that the pursuit of truth is not about finding definitive answers, but about embracing the journey of discovery. The spiritual path is not always easy. It requires courage to question our beliefs, confront our fears, and embrace the unknown. Yet it is through this process of questioning and seeking that we truly grow and evolve. Section 6. A personal transformation from skeptic to seeker. For much of my life, I considered myself a skeptic. Steeped in the world of science and reason, I dismissed spirituality as wishful thinking, a crutch for the weak-minded. However, a series of profound experiences led me to question my materialistic worldview and embark on my own spiritual journey. It began with a deep sense of dissatisfaction, a feeling that something was missing despite my outward success. I realized that true fulfillment could not be found in material possessions or external achievements. My thirst for meaning led me to explore various spiritual traditions, meditate and connect with nature. Through these experiences, I began to glimpse a reality beyond the confines of my limited perception. I discovered the interconnectedness of all things, the profound unity that binds us together. This realization filled me with a sense of awe, wonder, and deep gratitude. Section 7. The interconnectedness of all things. Finding unity in diversity. One of the most profound realizations that arise from embracing spirituality is the interconnectedness of all things. We begin to see beyond the illusion of separation, recognizing that we are all part of an intricate web of life. This understanding fosters empathy, compassion, and a deep sense of responsibility for ourselves, each other, and the planet. The recognition of our interconnectedness extends beyond the human realm to encompass all living beings and the natural world. We come to understand that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. This realization inspires us to live in harmony with the environment, recognizing that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. The principle of interconnectedness challenges our individualistic worldview, inviting us to embrace a more holistic and compassionate perspective. It reminds us that our actions have far-reaching consequences, impacting not only ourselves but also the web of life that sustains us. Section 8. Cultivating spirituality practices for inner growth. The path of spirituality is a journey of inner growth and transformation. It is a process of cultivating self-awareness, compassion, and wisdom. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach, various practices can support us on this journey, helping us connect with our inner selves and cultivate a deeper sense of purpose and meaning. Meditation, mindfulness, spending time in nature, journaling, and engaging in acts of service are just a few examples of practices that can nurture our spiritual growth. These practices help us quiet the mind, connect with our inner wisdom, and cultivate a sense of peace and presence. The most important aspect of any spiritual practice is authenticity. Choose practices that resonate with you and approach them with an open mind and a willingness to explore. The key is to find what works best for you and to integrate these practices into your daily life. Section 9. Conclusion, a lifelong exploration. Embracing spirituality is a lifelong exploration, a continuous journey of self-discovery and growth. It is about cultivating a deep connection to ourselves, to others, to nature, and to something greater than ourselves. This journey is not about seeking definitive answers, but about embracing the unknown, asking difficult questions, and remaining open to new perspectives. As we embark on this path, we begin to see the world through a different lens, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of all things and the inherent beauty and wonder of life. We discover that true fulfillment comes not from external achievements, but from within, from cultivating inner peace, compassion, and wisdom. The spiritual journey is a deeply personal one, unique to each individual. However, the rewards are universal, a profound sense of purpose, a deep connection to something greater than ourselves, and an unshakable sense of peace and fulfillment.